Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to master your productivity with Mastering Gmail Compose. I'll show you exactly how to use the different new message creation screens in the web version of Gmail to fit your specific workflow. Method 1. The native web app. Method 1 is the standard way most people use. Once you've opened Gmail in your browser, you can click the Compose button with your mouse, or simply press the C key on your keyboard. By default, the new message screen appears as a small window directly inside your current Gmail page, which is great for multitasking within your inbox. Unlock window options with modifiers. You can actually change how that window opens on the fly using keyboard modifiers. If you hold the Shift key while clicking Compose or press Shift plus C, your message will open in a pop-up window. If you prefer a new tab, hold Command on Mac or Ctrl on Windows while clicking Compose, or just hit the D key. Characteristics of Method 1. To summarize Method 1, it requires you to have the web version of Gmail open first, making it a two-step process if you're starting from another site. However, its strength is maximum variety. You can choose between the in-page window, a pop-up, or a new tab, depending on what you're working on. Method 2. Send from Gmail extension. Method 2 uses the official Send from Gmail by Google Chrome extension. For preparation, install it from the Chrome Web Store and pin its icon to your browser toolbar for instant access. One-click access and auto URL embed. Using it is incredibly fast. Just click the extension icon in your toolbar to instantly open a new message pop-up. A unique time-saving feature is that it automatically inserts the page title into the subject line and the URL of the website you're viewing into the message body. Characteristics of the extension. The key characteristics of Method 2 are that it is independent, meaning no need to open Gmail first, and it offers one-click speed. Because it's context-aware, it's the perfect tool for quickly sharing interesting web pages with colleagues or friends without copying and pasting. Method 3. The custom bookmark. Method 3 involves creating a custom bookmark. To set this up, add a bookmark to your address bar and then edit its URL to the custom string shown here: https://mail.google.com/mail/you/your email@gmail.com/view=cm and fs=1. Be sure to replace the placeholder with your actual Gmail address. One-click full-tab composing. Once set up, simply click the bookmark in your bar. This will instantly display the new message creation screen inside a large, distraction-free new tab. It's the fastest way to get a full-screen editor without navigating through your inbox. Characteristics of the bookmark. The bookmark method is also independent and works with one-click speed. Unlike the extension, it provides a blank slate, meaning it does not include the URL of the page you were just viewing. This is ideal when you want to focus entirely on writing a new, detailed email from scratch. Summary. Which method should you choose? So, which should you choose? Use the web version, Method 1, if you want a variety of window formats while working in Gmail. Use the extension, Method 2, if your goal is to quickly share URLs via a pop-up. Use the bookmark, Method 3, when you want to focus on writing in a large, clean tab with one click.